So we're learning about FlexBox, and you can take the whole course by going to greatercommons.com. It's right there. How to create a website, an HTML tutorial, and CSS tutorial. Super awesome. And best place to look that I've ever found for understanding FlexBox is the CSS Tricks FlexBox. And then we've already explored in the previous video kind of how to create a flex container and what flex direction does and what flex wrap does, and justify content and align items, and then we have align content. So align items is about individual items. Content is about all of the items, and you can kind of see that in the picture. We're talking about individual items here, and then here we're kind of talking about all of the content. So aligns a flex container's lines within when there is extra space in the cross axes, right? So we already know align items works on the cross axes. This also works on the cross axes, and similar to how justify content aligns individual items within the main axes. So I don't really like that description. But let's just play with it and see what happens. And so I think I have this right here is where we just were. I'm just going to open that. I got hit in the head with a metal pipe at a playground 10 days ago. My head isn't quite the same. I'm wondering if I need to go see somebody about it, but I kind of also think that whatever is going on, it'll heal itself, or it won't. So we're just going to do a div and delete these, and we'll put $$ in it. I'll do 20 of them. See what that looks like. Cool. Who could tell me why they're all squished onto one row? Here's the code. Why are they squished onto one row? Yeah, so I'm going to go to wrap here. Awesome. And then I'm going to do, this is a row, which means align items works on the cross axes of the column. I'm going to do flex start to take it to the top. And then if I wanted to, I could do flex start here to get the, where's my code completion? To get it, justify content works on the primary axis, which is a row. So that'll get it over there. Look at all that space between. So to get rid of that space between, I could do align content and flex start. And it gets it all up. And if I add flex end, gets it all down. And if I add center, it's moving on all of the content, right? How's that different than just align items? Well, you have that big space. So let's kind of group it all together. So that's align items. We had flex start, flex end, center, space between, space around, and stretch. Stretch might be interesting. Let's see what stretch does. No change. Well, if we took height off, just fits. So the next thing we could start to look at would be over on, so I think I'll just leave this one here, this video, as align content, and then we'll look at the flex item properties in the next video.